will not let that guy get me. Okay?
This is the story of the love bear. You think he's loving, but he eats you in the graveyard. Hi, Caitlin.
Hi. Wait, turn it off for a second. Trace.
I lost you.
See, okay, wait, let's play live. Let's play it. Not yet, go back.
These are shoes in the middle of the graveyard.
I haven't seen it.
This was the story of the...
You can see her making a fake horror movie in a graveyard. Okay, nobody showed up, and nobody even bothered to tell us they're going to show up. Echo.
7:38.
Oh man, I thought we wasted a half hour.
The vampire.